Welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring how to easily add favorites on your IPTV Smarter's Fire Stick. It's a smooth process that will improve your streaming experience. To get started, power on your Fire Stick and open the IPTV Smarter's app. Once opened, navigate to the Channels section, where you'll find all your available channels. Scroll through your channel list to find the channel you wish to add to your favorites. When you've made your choice, press and hold the OK button on your remote. After holding the OK button, a menu will appear here. Choose the option labeled Add to Favorites. You'll notice the channel is now marked with a star icon. To view your favorites, head back to the main menu and find the Favorites section. All your marked channels will be neatly organized here for quick access. And that's it. You've successfully added favorites on IPTV Smarters. Enjoy easily navigating your preferred channels. Like and subscribe for more tips to enhance your viewing.